Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel SHEIN order. So stay tuned until the end to learn all the steps and tips to ensure your cancellation goes smoothly. Let's get started. Open SHEIN app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on Me section, which is located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, go to the order you want to cancel. This could be an unpaid order or it could be the one that's processing. But remember, if the order has already been shipped, you might not be able to cancel it and then you will need to process a return instead. Click on specific order you want to cancel to open its detail. In order detail, look for the option of cancel now, which you will find at the bottom right. Tap on it. Then you will be prompted to provide a reason for the cancellation. For example, you can mention something like, I forget to apply a coupon code. After providing the reason, submit your cancellation request. And once your cancellation is successful, SHEIN will ask if you would like to add the cancelled item back to your cart. And if you want to, then go ahead and do that. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.